In this video, we will show you how to build an off-grid generator. With increasing concerns about power outages and a growing interest in renewable energy, having an off-grid generator can provide a reliable and sustainable source of electricity. We will guide you through the process step by step, so you can create your own power solution. The first step in building an off-grid generator is to gather the necessary materials. You will need a generator head, an alternator, a mounting bracket, a flywheel, a pulley, a battery, a charge controller, an inverter, wires, connectors, and various tools such as wrenches, pliers, and wire cutters. These materials will enable you to create a fully functional off-grid generator. Once you have gathered all the necessary materials, it's time to assemble the off-grid generator. Start by mounting the generator head onto the mounting bracket. Then, attach the alternator to the flywheel using the pulley system. Connect the battery to the charge controller, and connect the charge controller to the inverter. Finally, connect all the necessary wires and ensure everything is properly secured. Once the off-grid generator is assembled, it's important to test its functionality and troubleshoot any issues that may arise. Start by checking the connections and ensuring there are no loose wires. Then, turn on the generator and monitor the voltage output. If you encounter any problems, refer to the troubleshooting section of the generator's manual or seek professional assistance. To ensure the longevity and optimal performance of your off-grid generator, regular maintenance and monitoring are crucial. Keep the generator clean and free from debris. Check the oil levels and replace it as necessary. Inspect the connections and wires periodically. Additionally, monitor the battery charge level and voltage output to ensure everything is working as intended. Congratulations! You have successfully built your own off-grid generator. With this self-sufficient energy solution, you can enjoy a reliable power source even in remote areas or during power outages. Remember to share this video with others who might be interested in building their own off-grid generator. Thank you for watching.